Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we will be learning to identify the parts of a pattern. We will be looking at some patterns, we'll find the pattern core, and then we'll see how they repeat. So, let's get learning! Well, we've already looked at some repeating patterns and we've learned what repeating means. Do you remember? When something repeats, that means it happens over and over again. Now I'd like to show you some patterns that I've been making with my blocks. Want to see? I'll place them on my board. Here is my first pattern. And here is my second pattern. Have a look at my two patterns and have a little think. What is different? You could pause it here to tell a friend what you notice is different. Did you notice that the colors are different? Actually, the top pattern is based on color. Look, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. But then have a look at the second pattern. The color doesn't change, it's always red. So what attribute is the second pattern based on? Let's have a look. Well, the color isn't changing in this pattern, but what is changing? Have you noticed what it is? Can you see that the length of each tower is different? We've got this tower that has 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, and this tower only has 1. So we have 4, then 1, 4, and then 1. And that's making a long and short pattern, long and short. So we can see what's different, then what is the same? Let's look again. What do you notice is the same in these patterns? Tell a friend what you're thinking. You must be doing some great thinking there. Now, what did you notice? Maybe you noticed that both of these patterns are made out of the same blocks, the connecting blocks. Do you see that? How about the pattern core? That's the part of the pattern that keeps repeating over and over again. What's the same about them in both patterns? Well, first of all, let's find the pattern cores. So in this top pattern, it's a color pattern, and the two colors that repeat are yellow and blue. So that's the pattern core there. And down here, we know that it's a long and short pattern. So I'm going to underline the first two. There we go, long and short. What do you notice that's the same? So what did you notice that's the same? Did you notice that both patterns have two parts in their pattern core? Yes. Can you see anything else that's the same? Is there anything else you've noticed? Well, we've spotted the pattern core up here, and then it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So both patterns have a 2-part pattern core that repeats 4 times. So here are just another 2 examples of 2-part patterns. I'm sure you have made lots of 2-part patterns, maybe with some colors, with some shapes, and lots of other ways as well. Well, there is actually another way to describe a 2-part pattern. All 2-part patterns have an A, B. Let me show you. So here is the pattern core in the top pattern. There are 2 parts to the pattern core. I'm going to label the first part A and the second part B. A, B. So what's this part? A. And this part? B. What about this part? That's A again. And this part? B. Help me out, everyone, and call out A and B while I label my pattern. Here we go. So we have A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Thanks for your help, everyone. Now let's label my second pattern. Are you ready to call out the letters A and B while we label? Let's go! So here are the two parts in our pattern call. So this one will be A and this one will be B. Let's keep going. Ready everyone? A, B, A, B, A, B. Great job! Well, we've seen our pattern call and we've labelled each part as A and B. What do you think will come next in our pattern? What comes next here? Will it be red? Thumbs up if I'm right. Will it be green? Will it be blue? Oh, no thumbs up yet. So what colour will be next? Tell a friend. Let's see if you're right. Yellow. And then? Blue. All right. How about in this pattern? We've just had tall, short. What's going to be next? Did you say tall? All right. And then? Short. Fantastic. It's much easier to see what will come next once we've spotted the pattern call, isn't it? Well, now I'm going to make another AB pattern using these toys. I've got some toy cars and some playing blocks. See if you can spot the A and the B in my pattern. Let's go! Here's my pattern! Did I do a good job? Well, let's say each element together as I point to each. Voices ready? Let's go. Toy car, block. Toy car, block. Toy car, block. Toy car, block. What's forming the pattern call in this pattern? It's the toy car and the block. Let's label that A and B. Use your voices and help me out, everyone. Ready? A, B, A, B, A, B, A, and B. All right, now I'm going to take a piece away and let's see if you can spot what's missing. No peeking. What is missing from this pattern? Have you worked it out yet? Which element is it? Is it A or B? It's B, isn't it? So that must mean it's the block. Is that what you were thinking? Awesome! So now we've seen how a two-part pattern can be described as AB, and we're getting better at finding and labeling the pattern core. Well, now it's your turn to create your own AB patterns. You could use any materials you like and maybe try to use some different attributes when making your patterns. Once you've made your AB pattern, try and find the pattern core and then label each part as A and B. Enjoy exploring patterns, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.